This is the back axle. I've got to go cleaning it. These here is the bump stop for the suspension, and that's the state on it, and then that goes on there like that, but they've been rotten. See the hole there on the other side. So I'm going to have to do something with these. I don't suppose I can't not have them on. So I'm going to have to repair them some shape. There's one side done. I've got to weld the inside now. I think I will put some plate on top of that as well, to make sure it's strong. There's the new piece welded on, I fit in. And there's the piece which I took off. Cleaned all the back axle. Now this isn't paint, this is cure rust. And I put it all over it. The rear axle now has been painted. I've started to put the hydraulic brake system on. I put this three-way junction on. I was going to put it on there, but above it is the petrol tank, so I had to utilize this position. I have fitted a new 4-speed brake cylinder, which is a upgrade from the 5-speed. These now have been repaired and they just fit on there like that. Well, that's it now, all finished with the brake pipes on. There it is, assembled. Handbrake lever bush, bleed nipple on the bottom. That's for the handbrake, to keep it off that copper pipe. New bushes in there. Same this side. Handbrake boot, nipple, and the brake drums are on. All ready to be fitted.